Good afternoon, class 4th student. Today we will start subject computer. The name of the computer book is Touchpad. Now, let us start first chapter of computer. First chapter of computer is evolution of computer. Again I repeat, first chapter of computer is evolution of computer. Now, let us start the text. Dear student, you have learned about computers in your previous class. Class 4th student, you have also studied about computer in your previous class. Previous class means class 3rd, class 2nd. Computer is a familiar word for you today. Computer is a familiar word. Familiar means which we know very well. For you today, nowadays, computer is very common word. But have you ever thought who invented the computer? Class, have you ever thought that who invented this computer? This machine is an outcome of labor of number of minds. This is the output of labor of number of minds. It means many people had worked in the invention of computer. What computer we are having today? It is not made by a single person. It is the combined effort of many peoples. No particular person can be credited with the invention of computer. Not a single person can be given the credit about the invention of computers. But several means many, named stand out in the crowd. But there are many people who are standing in the crowd. Now, early counting tools. First topic is early counting tools. Since ancient times, people have invented tools for calculations. From the ancient time, the people have invented different tools for calculations. Early man tied knots in a rope and carved marks on the clay in order to keep the record. Early man, you know about the early man? You have studied in your SST. You must have studied early man in class 3rd SS social science. Now, these early men, they tied knots in a rope and carved marks on a clay. These make different marks, different symbols on the help of clay in order to keep the record. For what? In order to keep the record. They also used to count with the help of fingers. As we used to do counting with the help of finger, 1, 2, 3, 4. Similarly, the early man used fingers for counting. Toes, pebbles, stones, stick, bones. These are all different things which are used by early men for counting. Again I repeat, these are the different things which are used by the early men for counting. Fingers, this is pebbles, sticks, stones and bones. You know bones? Bones are there in human body. Now, abacus. We will study about abacus. Abacus, first calculating device. It is the first calculating device. The first step toward computing was the invention of abacus around 3000 years ago in China. Now, the first step in counting is the invention of abacus around 3000 years ago. This abacus was invented nearly 3000 years ago in China. It is a wooden frame with beads. See, class, this is the figure of abacus. It is a wooden frame and it is having beads. These dots is known as the beads. It is a wooden frame with beads on parallel wire. These wires are there which are parallel. Parallel means like this. Like this. This is parallel. Which can do simple calculations like addition and subtraction. Now, this abacus is used to do simple calculations like addition and subtraction. This device is used to calculate numbers at fast speed. What is the main feature of this machine? Device, abacus, is used to calculate numbers at fast speed. Now,